Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're going to tell you about a product that we have been endorsing now for, I don't know, a little over a month. And if you've seen our videos, you know that we are now affiliates with the best tank treatment on the market. That's right, it is Liquified, made by the great team over there at Matt's RV Reviews. Thanks, Matt. Now today we're going to tell you about the RV toilet treatment that we've been using, and it has its own little measuring cap right here built in, so 1 ounce will treat up to 40 gallons.
Right, and if you're in a warm climate, which we are, you live in the South, and it gets over 80 degrees or so, you might just want to double it just to make sure that it keeps all of those smells down. But now this toilet treatment comes in actually 2 scents. We're showing you the original orange right now, but it does also come in lavender.
Huh.
So if you want a little variety, you can give that a try. But now what makes this toilet treatment so great is it doesn't just mask odors, it does actually treat the source. It is an enzyme-based treatment, so there's not a lot of harsh chemicals that could do bad things to your RV plumbing. Again, it is something that does work long-term. It's not just something that masks odors, because it cuts down all of that icky stuff in there.
Exactly. Now, thanks, Matt. And also, you can treat your gray tank. Now, sometimes the gray tank smells, I don't know, 10 times worse than the black tank. And also, 1 ounce of this will treat up to 40 gallons. So we'll just clarify that.
And we also do want to point out that this does also come in the self-measuring container. We
Yes.
don't have that one, but just so you'll know, it is available that way also. Now, the gray tank treatment, just like he said, sometimes it is just nasty.
Yeah.
You've got weird food particles and grease and soap and shampoo and all kinds of weird things that come off in the shower, and that just adds up and it just smells. But this gray tank treatment takes care of that.
Yes.
And both treatments also help keep those sensors clean.
Exactly, and we all know how good those RV sensors tend to be sometimes. But since we've been using this, again, they've been working. Now, something else that the wonderful guys over there and gals at Matt's RV Reviews, not only for your 2 tanks, now we've got something for your toilet bowl.
Right. I mean, you clean your toilets at home, so you've got to clean your toilet in your RV. And the good thing about this particular product is it was designed specifically to use in RVs. So if you're worried about something that's going to mess up your seals or mess up your black tank, don't. This was made just for that purpose.
That's exactly right. Thanks, Matt. All right, now what's next, you might want to say? Well, it's something new from over there at Matt's RV Reviews, and it's the wash and wax.
Right, this is a great all-in-one product. You just spray it on and wipe it off.
Yeah.
Most of the time you guys see us in new units and we're going through where everything is nice and clean and shiny, but we wanted to show you that we do actually use this on our own, which is in the background.
Yes.
So it actually works. Now, there are actually 4 of these different products. There is the wash and wax that you're seeing right now. There is a bug and tar remover, a roof cleaner, and a black streak remover. So everybody knows when it rains and these things sit out, you get those annoying black streaks.
Exactly.
They don't mean anything, they're just ugly.
And also, I think you can order the whole set or the whole 4 bottles
Yes, you
as
can.
a bundle.
Yes, and that will be, we're going to put a link down in there so you can go directly to the Liquified site and you can get what they call the Complete Care Bundle.
Yeah.
So you can get it all.
All right, everybody. Like I said, if you would like to order any of this product from the Matt's RV Reviews, that's right, Liquified, to go and get yours today, we will give you 15% off.
Right. Just use our coupon code because we're more than happy to share that with you guys.
That's right. Now look down in the description of this video and get all that information. All right, everybody. We hope you enjoyed this short video about everything that Matt's RV, thanks Matt, that he has created, and it's out on market, and you can actually find this at Walmart.
At most of your Walmarts. So
Yes. And we actually found it at our local Walmarts.
we did.
Yeah. So get that coupon code, look in the description. Thanks, everybody.